ECCPM is an acronym. It stands for the European Consortium of Continuous Pharmaceutical Manufacturing. And approximately 10 years ago, we realized that we need academics from different universities, that we need companies, but we also need regulators to work together to make advanced pharmaceutical manufacturing, especially continuous manufacturing, reality. The goal is to combat, to battle supply chain problems and to supply patients around the globe with high-quality medicines.
ECCP is doing a lot of work in the continuous manufacturing area, and therefore we can use ECCPM as a platform to discuss with partners, with regulators about our results and common developments.
ECCPM is important because we provide solutions for supply chain problems. And when we look at the international situation, we see that there's a shortage of many medicines. 300, 400, 500 different medicines cannot be provided to patients, and that's a huge problem in the US, but also in Europe. And what you learn here when you come to ECCPM is the latest technology, how different technologies can be used to battle these supply chain problems.
ECCP is an R&D center in the continuous manufacturing area with more than 160 people working here in Graz. And we have the infrastructure for continuous manufacturing. We have the people who can take care of the digital solutions for continuous manufacturing. And we can offer our partners small projects, service projects, and also long-term relationships, strategic partnerships in different fields.
ECCPM Forum is one of the internationally most recognized forums for discussing advanced solutions. So what you see here is the highest state of the art. It's real innovation, latest technology from various angles: technology, software, hardware, regulatory science.